Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Sarkazi Afnan, your English language teacher. Today we are going to discuss very important topic that is in linguistics, syntax. में हम पढ़ते हैं tree diagram. Okay, being a student of Cambridge, you have to know how to make the sentence and what are the structures of the sentence. Okay, so we have three steps. Step number one, parts of sentence. Step number two, phrases. Step number three, parts of speech. We have five parts of a sentence: subject, okay, subject, verb, object, complement, and adverbial. These are the parts of a sentence. In every single sentence, you can find these parts. Sometimes you find subject, verb, object. Sometimes you have subject, verb, and complement. Sometimes you have four, such as the combination of subject, verb, object, and adverbial. It is very exceptional case that you can make a sentence by following all the parts of sentence. Okay? And the second one is phrases. As I have taught you the types of phrases, we have 10 types of phrase: noun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, gerund, infinitive, participle, absolute, and phrasal verb. These are the types which I will discuss in the next class. Okay. Then we have the third step that is called parts of speech. As we know that we have 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay. So there is an example for you students that Sir Afnan is taking monthly test from students this week very strictly. Okay. Now, the thing is to identify the first part. Okay, parts of sentence. The first part, Sarafnan, subject, is taking verb, monthly test, object from students this week very strictly. Okay, that is the whole part which is called adverbial. Now, if I go ahead towards the second step of a tree diagram, so we can get that is called phrases. Okay, that is called phrases. In phrases, we have Sar Afnan as a noun phrase. It is called noun phrase. What is noun phrase? A combination of words which functions as a noun. So Sar Afnan here is noun phrase. Okay, noun phrase. Next, we have verb. It is called verb phrase. Monthly test. Here, test is modified by monthly, so it is called noun phrase. Okay. Now, in adverbial, there are three phrases. From students, it is called preposition phrase. This week, it is called noun phrase. Very strictly, it is called adverb phrase. Okay, guys. Now, it was your second step. Now, Sarafna noun phrase is taking verb phrase, monthly test noun phrase. In adverbial, there are three phrases. From students, preposition phrase. This week, noun phrase. Very strictly, adverb phrase. The thing is to identify and to understand is that students say that this week is basically it shows the time. Yes, it shows a time. It functions as an adverb. But here, this week, so week is modified by this, and this is pronoun, and pronoun is used in place of noun. So week is also noun, so it will be called the whole that is noun phrase. Okay. Now next, the next one is parts of speech. In noun phrase, there are two parts of speech. Okay. Sir and Afnan. Same is taking, there are two parts of speech. Monthly test, 2 words. From students, 2 words. This week, 2 words. Very strictly, 2 words. Now we have to understand this. What are the names of parts of speech which we have discussed in this sentence? Okay. So first of all, I would say noun phrase here. Sir is noun. Afnan is also noun. It is verb. It is also verb. But the difference is called auxiliary verb, that is also helping verb. Taking is main verb, it means action verb. Okay. Monthly test. Here monthly is adverb. Okay. Monthly is adverb. Sorry. Yes. Uh, okay. It is your adverb. And here test is noun. Test is noun. From is preposition. Student is noun. This week, pronoun. This is pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. Week is a noun. Very is adverb. Strictly is also adverb. Are you getting the point? So these both are adverb. Now, this is your third step. दोबारा देखिएगा, आपका first step है parts of sentence, second step is phrases, and the third step is phrases. Now, some students they are very confused about object and complement. So let me show how can we differentiate object and complement. Here you can see, guys, object and complement. Let me increase the size of the font. Yes, here object is receiver of action. जब काम हो रहा होता है तो काम को रिसीव करने वाले ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई स्पीक व्हाट इंग्लिश, आई टीच व्हाट अरेबिक, I eat what biryani. But complement is something that gives us information about the given expression. For example, if I say I am, मैं हूँ क्या, teacher, you are, आप हो क्या, student, she is famous, they are students, they are doctors, I am busy. So here busy, doctors, students, these are called complement because it completes the meaning of a given expression. Okay, guys. Now, you can see the very basic topic that is subject, verb, object, complement, and adverbial. I have shown here that I have categorized as well for you to make it easier. Here, Sarafnan subject is taking verb, monthly test object. From students this week, very strictly, it is called adverbial. In this sentence, there is no complement. Now, the second example. Let's start with the second example. Okay. Let's suppose if I say, she is she remains busy in the school. Now see, guys, this is very interesting sentence, very easy for you people to identify and to understand. Okay. If I say she remains busy in the school. Okay. Now, first of all, there is she. If I say she is subject, okay, remain is verb, okay? In the school is adverbial. Busy is complement. Okay, guys, now see. If I say here, she is subject. Yes, why not? She is subject. Remain is verb. Yes. Busy is complement. In the school is adverbial. Here I can write. Okay. She is subject. Remain is verb. Busy is complement. And in the school is adverbial, because it gives us extra information about subject and the whole sentence. It is called adverbial. Now, see, guys, we have the second step, that is phrase. Noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, and preposition phrase. How? Now you can see. Here she is used in place of noun, so it is called noun phrase. Remain is verb, so it is called verb phrase. Busy is adjective, so it is called adjective phrase. In the school, it is here adverbial, but it is called preposition phrase. You know why? Because here preposition in and its object, the school. So it will functions as an adverbial, adverb of time, adverb of place. But here it is a phrase in a form of preposition phrase. Now we can go ahead, guys, towards the third part, the third step, that is called what can I say? I can call it 1 minute. I can call it parts of speech. Okay, guys. Now see. Here, she is noun phrase. She is noun phrase. VP. It is noun phrase, and she is pronoun. So it is called pronoun. Which pronoun? Personal pronoun. In personal pronoun, subjective pronoun. Okay. Verb phrase. So it is simple verb. Which verb? Main verb. In main verb, it is called linking verb. Okay. Busy. It is adjective. Adjective. Which one? It is talking about the quality. In the in the school, it is called preposition phrase. Here we have preposition plus article plus we have noun. Okay, now you can see in is a preposition, the article, school, noun. So it is called preposition phrase completely. Now see, guys, some students, they know about parts of speech, but some students, they don't know about the parts of speech. For example, noun Kamal, Lahore, pronoun he, it, she, they, mine, my, your, our. Okay. Verb like go, come, speak, talk, remain, is, am, are. Adverb which adds something about verb. I go slowly. I come here. I talk fast. Adjective, this is something related to the modification of noun or pronoun. For example, I am famous, she is busy, you are intelligent. Preposition, something which comes before a position, preposition. I am in kitchen, you are under the tree. Sarafnan is on the first floor. Conjunction, that is something related to combination or connectors, okay? Connectors, to connect some different words, phrases, or clauses, such as I speak English and Urdu. I was coming when you were sleeping. I saw you when you were playing cricket. I came if you could invite me. The next and the last one is interjection. That is something related to our emotions, feelings. Okay. I hope कि आपको क्लास समझ आ गई होगी. If you have any queries, any confusions, you can contact me through official groups or WhatsApp. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. Take care. Allah Hafiz.